Hi guys, this is Sigig35 Security. Today I will show you how to install Windows 10 x64.23h2.tiny on AIOBOOT Legacy BIOS mode. Explain to install Windows 10 x64.23h2.tiny on AIOBOOT Legacy BIOS mode on disk local disk, plus with instruction change settings bootloader and delete unwanted software. Install best programs for update drive and web page 2 on Windows 10 Tiny. Run AIOBOOT. Click Yes. Go to Integration. Select Pack, then choose Windows. Select List, then choose Windows 7 8.1/10/server setup. Click Browser. Choose NTDEV.10 x64.23h2.tiny. Click OK. Rename NTDEV to Windows 10 x64.23h2.tiny. Then click OK to start. Copy the ISO file to AIOBOOT disk. Click OK. After done, install Windows 10 x64.23h2.tiny on AIOBOOT. Now you should restart the PC. Select WinPE and Setup. Boot up Windows 10 x64.23h2.tiny. Click Next. Click I accept the license terms. Click Next. Select Partition to 79.1 GB Windows 10 disk. Click Format. Click OK to start format disk. Click Next. It will take 10 or 30 minutes to complete install Windows 10 Tiny. Click Restart. Boot up Windows 10. Boot up Windows 10 again. Click Yes. Click Yes. Click Skip. Click I don't have internet. Continue with limited setup. Type yours username. Type yours password. Disable all privacy settings for your device, then click Accept to complete setup settings. After done, install Windows 10 x64.23h2.tiny. You should need to change the boot mod. To change the Metro Boot Windows 10, you should go to AIOBOOT to set Grub2 first boot. Run AIOBOOT. Click Yes. Click Bootloaders. Click Grub2. Click OK. Click OK. Close Bootloaders. Click Tools. Click Test Boot KMU. Click this drive. Click OK to start test. Now it's back to the normal boot and set on Grub2. You can select any boot up system you want easy, including Windows PE and Windows 10. To uninstall Microsoft Edge on Windows 10 x64.23h2.tiny, you should follow my instruction to complete it. Install new web page, Google Chromium. Go to Start menu. Go to Settings. Go to Apps and Features. You can uninstall Microsoft Edge from this way because it's not allowed on the settings. Close Settings. Go to Start menu. Right-click Microsoft Edge. Go to More. Click Open File Location. Now right-click Microsoft Edge, then Open File Location. Go to 92.0.902.67. Go to Installer. Here you need to remove the location and type CMD so can start to uninstall Microsoft Edge. Remove the task and type CMD. Hit Enter. To uninstall Edge, type this command, setup.exe uninstall system level verbose logging force uninstall. The command under description including download install setup. Hit Enter to begin start uninstall Microsoft Edge. Click Yes. Now Microsoft Edge removed all data and files on the settings too. To remove Microsoft Edge from Start menu list, go to Start menu. Right-click Microsoft Edge. Go to More. Click Open File Location. Delete Microsoft Edge shortcut. Now it's remove it from Start menu list. Now it's completed uninstall Microsoft Edge. You can go to check with Apps and Features on Settings to confirm. To install Google Chromium Windows 10 Tiny, all have need to do. Run as administrator Google Chromium x64. Click Yes. Automatic Start Install Google Chromium on Windows 10 Tiny. After done install, click Set Default to set Google Chromium on the settings. Click Choose a default, select Google Chromium. Now it's already set default for any web page on Google Chromium. To disable Microsoft Edge Chromium Blocker Toolkit on Windows 10 x64.23h2.tiny, you should follow my instruction to complete it automatic install or update. Run the tools as administrator. Click Yes. Click Yes. Click Browser. Select Download, then click OK. Click OK. Go to User. Go to Download. Click Edge Chromium Blocker Help. Now to disable automatic install or update on registry, you should registry key _local_machine/software/Microsoft/Edge update. Key value name, do not update to Edge with Chromium. Key is not defined. Distribution is not blocked. 0 distribution is not blocked. 1 distribution is blocked. For disabling automatic install or update on registry. Switches. Switches used by the script are mutually exclusive and only the first valid switch from a given command is acted on. The script can be run multiple times on the same machine. For example, switch description /b blocks distribution /u unblocks distribution. To run Edge Chromium Blocker on BAT, you need open CMD and type next command. Go to Start menu. Type CMD. Run as administrator. Click Yes. Copy the task of location file to CMD and type CD. Paste the task on CMD, then hit Enter. Type dir, then hit Enter. Copy Edge Chromium Blocker.cmd, then paste on CMD, and type /b, then hit Enter to block Auto Microsoft Install Edge or Update. Now Auto Microsoft Install Edge or Update is blocked successfully already. Delete or disable permissions on Automatic Windows Update WUI Serve and Windows Update Medic Service, WAS Medic SVC, on Windows 10. Service on Registry. Go to this PC. Right-click this PC. Go to Manage. Go to Services and Applications. Go to Services. Windows Update. Here you can disable Auto Update, but it will be enable Automatic too, and Windows Update Medic Service can't disable too, because it's access denied. Need permission. To delete Windows Update plus Medic Service, you should follow my instructions. Open Task Manager. Click More Details. Go to Services. Find Windows Update with WUI Serve, and WAS Medic SVC. Now let's delete Automatic Windows Update WUI Serve. On Task Manager you have to use CMD. Here you find Windows Update with WUI Serve, and WAS Medic SVC. Go to Start menu. Type CMD. Run as administrator. Click Yes. To delete Service Windows Update WUI Serve, you should type SC delete WUI Serve, then hit Enter. Now the Automatic Windows Up WUI Serve is delete on the service. Go to Action, then click Refresh the Services list. Now it's removed from the service. Now let's try delete Windows Update Medic Service WAS Medic SVC on CMD. Access is denied. Can't delete WAS Medic SVC on CMD. You should go to Registry so you can disable Update Service WAS Medic SVC. Hold Start on keyboard, and press +R, to open Run. Type regedit, and click OK. Click Yes, to disable Windows Update Medic Service, WAS Medic SVC, on Windows 10. Follow this task on Registry, computer /key_local_machine/system/current control set /services/WAS Medic SVC. Hit Enter. Right-click WAS Medic SVC file. Click Permissions. Click Advanced. Click Disable Inheritance. Click Remove all inherited permissions from this object. Click Apply. Click Yes. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Final disable Windows Update, Medic Service WAS Medic SVC, on Windows 10. You need now to restart Windows 10, so the services all refresh without no problems. Now you can check the service to confirm Windows Up is deleted and disable. As you can see, it's removed already. Windows Update WUIAServ, and Windows Update, Medic Service was Medic SVC, is not on service. Driver Booster 8 for updating drives or games programs, so any drives or source programs need to update, you can use Driver Booster, make it easy than Windows 10 Update Drive. Go to Driver Booster. Right-click. Click Extract Files. Notice, you can extract files on documents. It will be better to keep version unchanged. If there's new updates coming next, it will be only going to Program Files, x86, AIOBOOT. I will going to extract it on desktop for example. Go to Driver Booster File. Go to 8.2.0 Files. Run Driver Booster. Click Yes. To check missing drives or programs, click Start Scan to scan all drives and programs. After done scan, you can see there's 2 drives, need to install on Windows 10 is selected already. For starting install software, all you need, click Update Now, to start install or update drives. Click OK to start update. Click OK to create restore point. Update complete successfully, now you can close Driver Booster. After done setup, I'll change the settings on Windows 10 x64.23h2.tiny. Hopefully you enjoy the video with the guide. It's now Windows 10 x64.23h2.tiny is better now without bloatware and ransomware. Don't forget like, subscribe and share with yours friends. Thank you for watching.